Email deployment allows you to personalize the message that will make your respondents want to participate in a survey. You can also include the first question of your campaign in the invitation email to increase your participation rate. Go to the Deployments menu, click on the button Create a new deployment, then choose Email. Select the sender, MyFeelBack or your external email service. Select one or more campaigns that you want to deploy. Choose the mailing list that contains the list of your recipients. Select the email template to use. You still have to choose the segment that will be attached to your email deployment. You can choose between two types of email integration in your survey. The first question of my survey allows you to integrate your first question directly into the body of your email, and this greatly increases the response rate of your surveys. The URL of my survey allows you to share your campaign with a simple link or to integrate this URL into an image or button in your email. You can choose the language of your email. Note that you can add translations to each of your email templates. The language of the source email is the one you've used to write your email. The contact language is the one assigned to the participant via the language field in your different contact fields. The language of the contact's country is the one based on the country field. Now, manually, you can force the template of a specific language even if the language and country of your contact is defined. You can manage the solicitation of your participants. From the drop-down list, select the type of solicitation you want. You can choose not to distribute your campaign to your contacts already solicited for a certain period of time. This means that if your contacts have already received a request to participate, they will not receive a new request during the period of time you define. This allows you to not collect duplicate answers, but above all to not disturb unnecessarily your contacts who have already received a request to participate in your survey. And don't forget to check the box Send Only to Updated Contacts if you don't want your contacts already requested to be asked again, always respecting the defined non-solicitation period. Only updated contacts will receive the email the next time you send it. Example: if a contact group participated in your campaign in February and you choose Send Only to Contacts who haven't been contacted for 1 month, then the next time you send your campaign in March, this group won't be contacted again. Define whether the email is sent immediately or later. Don't forget to activate your campaign before you share it. With the integration of the first question of your survey in the invitation email, each answer is saved as soon as you click on the email. The respondent is more easily tempted to answer this first question than redirected to the rest of your survey, whose logic is entirely respected. The MyFeelBack platform allows you to integrate 5 types of questions in your email: Net Promoter Score, rating scales, smileys, stars, checkboxes, images list, and opt-in field. Different criteria are required to integrate your question. First, your campaign must be active. Then the first question should be isolated in the first page of your survey. That is, your page should not contain any other questions. Your deployment should be linked to only one campaign. And finally, don't forget to add a personalized button, Validate and Go to Page, so that your participant is automatically redirected to the second page of your survey once the first answer has been validated. Now all you have to do is prepare your email template. To insert the first question of your campaign, simply add the variable first question of the campaign by inserting a hash in the body of your email. Select the variable and save. Choose the email template you've just configured. You can now send an invitation email test. When you open the email, the first question appears here as an NPS question. And when you click on the NPS note, you are redirected to the second question of the campaign. Activate your email deployment if the result is convenient for you and you want to send the invitations to your respondents. This functionality is available both when you send your email via MyFeelBack and when you use an external solution. When you use an external email invitation service, you get a preview of the question and the code to copy-paste into your external email service in order to display your question. Do not hesitate to ask your technical support for a custom integration. Always be sure that you have activated your campaign and your deployment. You're done. The SMS deployment allows you to personalize the message that will make your respondents want to participate in your survey. By clicking on the link contained in the SMS they receive, participants are directly redirected to your survey. When creating a new deployment, this time choose SMS. Select the sender, MyFeelBack or your external service, and then select the campaign to deploy. On your SMS deployment page, you will find the following items: sending list, SMS template, which you can directly customize, segment, language, solicitation, and time to send the SMS, immediate or delayed. When sending via an external service, you simply retrieve the link of your deployment that you can use directly in your tool.